1.6 aperture, A14 chip, 5G, and 6.7-inch screen display. That's the Apple. That's the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Is it worth the upgrade? Let's find out. We finally got our phone now, and let's see what's inside. I like the package. It looks quite small, very small, compared to previously, which was double the size. The phone looks fantastic. It's got aluminum edges. The cameras are 12 megapixels, 1.6 on the wide lens. It is using latest technology LiDAR, and it's got improved stabilization. The screen is called a ceramic shield, which they say is one of the strongest the iPhone has had. In the box, all it has is the USB-C to Lightning cable, and that's it. You might see the pin thing to bring out your SIM tray, and then that Apple sticker. Nobody uses the Apple, so it always goes to the bin, but they keep giving it to us. It's novelty, but there you go. So it's an empty box, really, just with an iPhone and a cable. That's it. They said to save the environment, but I think it's to save their pocket. Look at that. I've got my case case, which I ordered and came late, so let me actually do a small unbox to see how it looks with the new phone. It's my first time opening it. It does look nice. I do have a case review that I did, which you could click on the top right to see that video. This is very nice. Let's take out the plastic cover. Duty-free goods case. It looks very nice. And let's see how this looks. It looks amazing. I'll have to compare the other one that I did review before to see how that looks with the phone. This looks nice. Really, really nice. It goes with the blue color. Now that's the other one I reviewed previously, the Pangram case. Most of you might have seen that previously. It looks nice. This one has the Q-Tech 4 corners, so for protection. I think I'll probably use this one when I go on holiday, so if it drops, I'm protected. But the other one, the blue one, when I'm just going for dinner or just going out, so it's easy to put in my pocket. But this looks nice as well. So it's just a very slim design compared to my old one, which you can see now. The old one, which is the X Max, is almost the same thing. It's just slightly taller. That's it, really. Nothing different. And I actually found out that the quality of the old one, X Max, and the new one almost look the same thing. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but just from my own opinion, the only thing I could see that was different was the camera. The new camera on the 12 Pro Max is amazing in both night lights and day lights. But is it worth that much money to get the 12 Pro Max? Well, it depends actually on personal preference. Depends on what you had before. Honestly speaking, if I had the 11 Pro Max, I would not go with the 12 Pro Max because it wouldn't be worth it. Even with this X Max that I got, I don't think it's just because of the camera that you might go for it. These are the 3 cases. The 2 on the left are the ones that I'm using for the 12 Pro Max, and the one on the right is the old one for the X Max. Okay, let's put it on and let's take some pictures. And let's compare this with the one that I've got, which is the X Max. I can't compare with the 11 Pro Max because I don't have that. so I will only compare with what I've got. I'll show you a few pictures anyway, just to show you that definitely hands down the 12 Pro Max beats the X Max, and probably might beat the 11 Pro Max, but just a tiny bit. So it's left for you to decide if it's worth that extra money. But I personally wouldn't upgrade if I've got an 11 Pro Max. Okay, let's take some pictures. Now I'm just going to take pictures of, we're going to take pictures of our daughter's LOL toy. As you can see on the left side, after taking the picture, the 12 Pro Max looks crispy and clear. The iPhone X Max looks a bit blurry. Now there's a flower here, artificial flower. On the left, it looks a bit magnified, but you can see it's a bit clearer as well, more defined. And on the right, it's okay, but it's not as clear or as defined as the 12 Pro Max. Okay, this is my verdict. You can pause the screen to read it, but I personally don't think that the camera is worth for somebody to upgrade from 11 Pro Max. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and again, please subscribe and stay tuned for more. Thank you.